Hi guys, today I would like to share with you how to make a Coraline. So today tutorial gonna be how to do it for your decoration for your room or for your studio. Now as you can see, this is all what we need for our sculpting: the tools and the masking tape, clay, and all colorful clay for her costume, her bag and her hair, and anything else like we're gonna add up, yeah? And of course kitchen oil. So let's start it. So now I'm gonna start building her body. So I softened the clay, and now I'm gonna start attaching that clay to the foil and her eyes. Just gonna softly press that. So we're gonna insert it now. So now we're gonna bake it down and start creating her eyes. Okay, well guys, now we baked the head. Now we're gonna insert the eyes. For this we need the white clay, and we're gonna do some little ball, and we insert the clay like that. That's why I was telling you the baking really good. The eye shape is not going to change when you put a white clay, otherwise it's going to be very hard for you guys to do the eyes. Okay, well, we're going to insert her eyebrow. So her eyebrow is done. Now we're going to put lips. We can paint, but I just want to try with polymer clay. We're just gonna put here a little bit. Just make sure. That's why very important to bake the head. So her line is here. We're just gonna get that line here. We're gonna attach this to the body. So you just start at the body, right? Because that we need. So this is gonna be her coat. Well, we're gonna just do it, and now we're gonna sellotape. And just do 5 sausages like that. So guys, this is our Coraline is ready. So be creative and thank you for watching. If you have any question, leave a comment. Thank you. Bye bye.